welcome to my channel, Jane of All Trades. Today we are going to be talking about linking, unlinking, grouping and ungrouping, which can be useful and annoying all at the same time. So here we have a little group. So these are actually grouped elements, and this is because whenever I move this, I want the audio to move too. So that is essentially what the link and unlink is doing. So to access that, you can go to unlink, and now when I unlink, I can move the video and audio independently. So depending on what kind of project you might want to do this, that's my title sequence. So I want the audio to always be in time and run with that sequence no matter what. So to get that back to the start, like I just did Control Z, which is a universal Adobe undo is Control Z, and then I don't want that to be independent anymore. So what I can do is I can link that back up so that again, if I'm ever wanting to move it or change its location, I can, and it will always take the audio with it, or vice versa, it will always take the video with it. So when you're doing the same thing with other elements, so these are all video elements, so you can do the same thing. You can link them all so that they move together, or you can unlink, and you can also use the group feature. The group feature can be where things are not in line. Let me just try that. So I can, if I now select all, it's going to unlink, and I don't want it to do that. So what I can do is I can group, and if I group, now all my elements will always move together even though they're not in line. So group is really handy if you have it already edited or set a section of video and you want to keep that together. You don't ever want to run the risk of it moving or a little bit of it shifting, especially if you are editing elsewhere and you're still moving clips together to batch them together. It's a great way to stop any of that from happening, so that when you do go and grab that batch of clips, they will always all move together and you can shuffle. So you can group different sections, so you can group a whole title sequence, and then you can group your end sequence, and then these items will never separate and they will always stay exactly where they are, if they're separated, if they're together, no matter how they're batched. So group and ungroup is a super handy tool. So again, if I go back and I go ungroup, all the items are now free to move independently, but these are still linked, so I'll be able to move these. So that's the difference between link and unlink. So when you link, you're linking a certain clip to a certain clip, so that if you move one, the other moves. And then group is where you are taking a whole batch of clips that are all scattered or everywhere or already pre-edited and grouping them together so that they always move together. And there you have it. So that's another wee super top tip in Premiere Pro CC 2020. I'm always saying it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, feel free to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.